In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Google Calendar. Having a clear, organized calendar is essential for managing your time effectively. So let's dive in and learn how to create labels by using a new calendar as a label. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new calendar. To get started, locate the plus button right after Other Calendars on the left side of your Google Calendar page. By clicking on this plus button, you're on your way to creating a new calendar that you'll soon be able to use as a label. Once you've clicked the plus button, you'll see the option to create a new calendar. Select this option, and then it will prompt you to name your new calendar. Feel free to get creative and name it whatever you wish, something that clearly represents the kind of events or appointments you'll be labeling. Remember, this step might take a little bit of time, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. After your new calendar is created, it's time to add a splash of color. Choosing a color for your label is not only visually appealing, but also helpful in differentiating your events at a glance. You can change the label color by adjusting the settings of the newly created calendar. Pick a color that stands out to you or matches the theme of the events you'll be labeling. With your calendar set up and colored to your liking, you can now use it as a label for any event in your schedule. Simply click on the event you wish to label, and you'll find an edit icon that allows you to adjust the event details. By clicking here, you're able to open up the event settings. Now you're at the exciting part. Within these settings, you can assign your newly created calendar as a label for the event. This effectively tags your event with the label, making it easier to sort and manage your calendar events. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the know-how to add labels in Google Calendar using a straightforward, creative approach. This method will certainly enhance the way you organize your schedule, bringing ease and clarity to your daily planning. I hope you find this video helpful in mastering your Google Calendar labeling. Thanks for watching, and have fun personalizing your calendar to better suit your needs.